Hi guys, welcome back to another video from BioBuddy, and in this video we will be talking about the structure of nephron. You must have studied that neuron is the structural and the functional unit of the nervous system, right? Neuron is the structural and the functional unit of the nervous system. So you must have also studied that nephron is the structural and the functional unit of the excretory system. This is also the structural and the functional unit of excretory system, that is your kidneys. Right, it is the structural and the functional unit of the excretory system. Now in this video guys, we will be studying how the structural and the functional unit of the kidney functions properly and functions effectively in order to perform the basic function of the elimination of the waste product outside the body, right? So now what we will do, first of all, let me just draw the structure of the nephron. This is a spiral shaped structure and a very simple structure, not that confusing what you guys must have studied from the books. I have simplified this. Okay, so this is a very simple structure of a nephron. In this, what is this? Let me just complete it fully. Right, so what is this? This structure is known as the Bowman's capsule. Right, this is known as the Bowman's capsule. Now, why is, the structures and their names are very familiar according to their shape, how they are mainly according to their, try giving their names according to the shape, but sometimes it might be different. So you guys need to understand that basically what is this. Okay, so this is the Bowman's capsule. Why? Because it is shaped like a cup. It is known as a Bowman's capsule. This network of capillary is the glomerulus. This is the glomerulus, that is the network of capillaries. So now what is happening in this glomerulus? There is a network of capillaries. This is known as the efferent arteriole, and this is known as the efferent arteriole. This is known as the efferent arteriole, and this is known as the efferent arteriole. Efferent arteriole brings the blood from the body to the Bowman's capsule, and from here it brings to the efferent arteriole. Efferent arteriole takes the blood from the nephrons to the rest of the body parts. So here what is happening through diffusion, the particles move inside and then they keep on moving through this in this shape, and this part is called as the PCT, that is the proximal convoluted tubule, and this part is called as the loop of Henle. That is, it is also called as the hairpin loop. This part of the hairpin loop is called as the descending part, and this part is called as the ascending loop of Henle. This is the ascending part. This is called as the DCT, that is the distal convoluted tubule. From here it moves like this, goes like this, and then comes again, and this is known as the collecting duct. This is where ADH hormone comes into action, or vasopressin. Vasopressin hormone functions here, it performs the function here in the structure. So what is happening here? The blood from the body parts comes through the efferent arteriole, through this network, comes inside the network, diffuses with the help of diffusion, and then moves through the PCT. PCT refers to proximal convoluted tubule and helps in the absorption of water and salts. Later it moves to the loop of Henle. Loop of Henle is now divided into two parts, descending and ascending part. The both parts are different in order to their solubilities. How some of them are permeable to salt and half of it is permeable to water. Then here water absorption, here salt absorption takes place, and here again the reabsorption of water and the salts takes place in this DCT. And here when it comes, the collecting duct, it moves to the renal pelvis, and through the renal pelvis, first it moves to the parts of the kidneys, and then through the kidneys, inside the kidney, the renal pelvis, through the renal pelvis it moves on to the ureters. And this is how the functioning of the nephron is taking place inside your body. I hope the video is clear and effective for you guys. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Like to my videos, and have a nice day. Stay tuned for the next video.